Now I want you to take a look at this for me. Imagine making something anywhere between $500 and $1,500 per day, even per week, even perhaps once a month, which could be an amazing extra income or a side hustle. And what makes this even better is it's going to be a complete autopilot strategy that is going to do the work for you. This can be a life-changing opportunity, and this is absolutely possible. But it does take a little bit of setting up in the beginning. I would say about 30 minutes to an hour of work. And this is completely free, so you don't have to pay for Shopify or websites or internet hosting or anything like that. This is worldwide, so it works in India, the United States, South Africa, Nigeria, and every other country that you can think of. However, it is important that you follow each step that I'm going to teach you in this video, because most people that don't follow these steps that I'm going to teach you fail at this. But if you are new to the channel, my name is Jay and I'm an online entrepreneur, software and web developer from South Africa, and on this channel I'm super passionate in documenting my journey on making money online and giving you exclusive insights into that and giving the most value possible. So if you want to get the latest tips, tricks, ways and business models on how to make money online and build an income online, make sure to subscribe down below with the bell on so that I can send you a personal message every time I upload an awesome video just like this one. But without further ado, let's get straight into this. And in today's video, guys, I want to show you how you can build a complete passive stream of income without doing the work yourself at all, through the power of content. Everything is here for us. We're not going to be producing our own videos. We're not going to be relying on YouTube revenue at all. That's not what we are going to do. This is really going to be brand new and very unique. And this is going to teach you how to make hundreds and hundreds, even possibly thousands of dollars over and over again with a complete passive income stream. So if you can stick with me for at least the next 10 to 15 minutes, this can be life-changing information. And I'm also open to completely helping you guys out and chatting to you guys. So if you want to, you're welcome to follow me on Instagram, where you can send me a message and I'll reply to you there, or you can comment on this video. I heart and see all of my comments, so you can ask me a question there and I'll reply to that. So as you can see, I'm on YouTube right here. So we're going to be doing things completely different today. Yes, we are going to be using YouTube, but we're not going to be relying on ad revenue. It's really going to be new, different and unique, and you want to make sure that you don't miss this. And specifically what we're going to be doing is, if you come over to the search bar and you search something like cute animals or puppies or cute pets or anything like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just type in puppy and I'm going to see what I can find. So you can see on the homepage, cute puppies and dogs doing funny things. So that's a compilation. Also here, another compilation of cute baby animals. And you can see it's just all got to do with cute puppies and baby dogs. And this is what you want to take a look at. You can see here, guys, there is literally millions of views in this. Check here. 20 million views, 27 million views, 8.9 million views, 9 million views, 2.4, 3.5, 719k, 2.7, 1.1. So there are millions and millions of people viewing this content. And you can see this was only 6 months ago. 4 months ago, just 20 million views. Okay, this one's a bit older. 4 years ago. 4 months ago, 3.5 million views. 3 months ago, nearly 800k views. So these are mostly recent videos, even 1 month, 2.7 million views in just 1 month. These are all recent videos. And this is such an explosive and exploding niche. You can see simple thumbnails like this, a little puppy in a seatbelt, a little picture screenshot of a dog, a little puppy. There's nothing fancy to these thumbnails, but these videos are blowing up completely, and this is one of the most explosive niches probably on the internet right now, because who doesn't love cute puppies and cute animals and doesn't want to watch happy and adorable content like that? Difference is, I'm going to show you how you can make money on the back of this, not with ad revenue, not with random affiliate links or spamming these videos all over the place with these URL shorteners. This is going to be very unique. So let's take a look at this. Let's come over to one of these channels, for example, Cute Puppy Cities. I'm going to click on this channel and open up in the new tab, and I want to show you when this channel started, when they started uploading, and how quickly they got these kind of views. So I'm going to click on videos over here. I'm going to come over to sort by the oldest videos, so I can see when they posted their first video. Only 1 year ago they posted their first video, and their first few videos was getting 5 million views, 4 million views, 7.3 million views, 816k, 3.2 million views. This was recent, this channel. It's not a decade-old channel. This channel was created only a year ago, and you can see their first videos got a lot of views. Even some of the latest videos today are getting a ton of views on this explosive niche. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on their first video that they uploaded, where they got 3.6 million views in just the first year. So you can see it's a cute compilation like this that's about 7 minutes long. But what I want to show you is this. You can see over here on the right, I've got an extension called Vid Iq that shows me the tags that this video is used. So you can see on the right, the tags that this uploader has used on this exact video is over here. I can copy them, I can reuse them to replicate the virality of this video. So this Vid Iq tool you can download completely for free and add it to your Chrome browser like this. You can see I've got the Vid Iq extension here. It's completely free extension. They do have a paid plan, but the free one is more than perfect. And I want to show you something even more interesting. You will see if I come to the description of this video. Note, clips featured in our compilations are used with permission from original creators. If you got an adorable video you want to see featured in our next compilation, so what they are saying is they're not actually using or creating their own videos. They are using other people's content and re-uploading that on their channel. The funny thing is, these channels are monetized, but that's not how we are going to make money with this. So what you then want to do is you want to come back to YouTube, where you searched puppy as the term. You want to click on filter and you want to come over to Creative Commons. Now Creative Commons on YouTube means this is content that we can reuse. We can download this, edit in our own compilations, or simply re-upload this video as is and post it as our own content, as we have been given the right to do that. Because obviously we don't want to put in the work ourselves. Like I mentioned, we don't have to do the work ourselves. This is already here for us to use because we don't have the time to go and record our own videos and create our own puppy videos, for example. But like I said, we're not going to be using ad revenue, so whether that channel gets monetized or not, that's not a worry at all. So what you want to do is, let's say we want to use this video over here. You want to open this video in a new tab or any tab. You just want to pause this. As you can see, it's monetized. It's got ads, and ad is playing on this right now. So this reused content does get monetized. You then want to copy this link over here, but do remember, we're not relying on the monetization of this. Obviously, when you do get monetized, it is an extra bonus, but you want to copy the link to this video, because remember, we are allowed to reuse this now. Come over to Google and type y2mate.com and click on enter. And all you want to do is you can paste your video link over here, and you want to download this in 1080p. So click on download. It will load like this over here with this tab, and once that's done, you can click on download MP4, and you will see over here this is now downloading to my PC as an MP4 file. And then the next step, because obviously we need to go and create simple thumbnails like this. Again, you want to come over to Google, just type in puppy, come over to images section over here. You will see a ton of images over here, but one thing that's important that you need to do before you use these images, and you got to make sure that you do this, and you need to click on here where it says tools, you need to click on usage rights, and you need to click on labeled for reuse, meaning we are allowed to reuse these photos as our own, so there's no copyright issues. Then what you can do is you can do, for example, yawning puppy or something very cute, or like a puppy meme picture, for example this one over here with this doggy, and you got to make sure again that it's labeled for reuse, such as this one over here we can use for our thumbnails. So let's open this in a new tab, save this to our PC, and then what you need to do is you need to come over to this website over here called canva.com. So canva.com is a basic website where we can create amazing thumbnails. So what you want to do is you want to click on create a design, you want to click on custom dimensions, and you want to enter 1920 by 1080, which is the size of a thumbnail template for a YouTube video. And you can see I've got this blank template over here. All we can do is we can come over to the upload tab over here. We can upload our picture, and you can kind of create and drag and drop these pictures like this and create a simple thumbnail and cute puppy kind of thumbnail just like this one. And we could title this video, for example, cute puppies and their toys compilation, for example, or the cutest puppies of 2020 best compilation. A simple video like that, and you can see the title obviously relates to the thumbnail with the puppy and his ball and his collar. And they look like happy puppies playing in the garden, so you kind of want to title a video around that compilation. But as you can see, to create a thumbnail is super simple, but it's also very important because it's what gets a lot of clicks on your video. So guys, now that we've got our explosive niche, we got our videos, we got all our compilation content that we can reuse that's going to do all the work for us, and that we've got our thumbnail, now we need the platform that is going to make all the money for us. So you need to come over to a platform called Teespring.com. Now Teespring is a website that is going to allow you to sell merchandise, and you can design the merchandise, your own merchandise like this. You can load your own pictures, drag and drop your own pictures, create your own colors, and you can sell that on this website. They make all the shirts for you. It's completely free to use Teespring, and how they make their money is when you make a sale, they keep a small little commission from each sale, and that's how this business makes money. So you don't need any inventory, you don't need any stock, you don't need to do any stock counts, you don't need to worry about tax or having any stock on your floor. This is a beautiful system where you design your little shirt, the online store is then generated for you. When you get orders, Teespring does all the manufacturing, all the printing, and all the deliveries for you, and you just enjoy the profits. So what you're going to want to do is, I'm going to create a brand new account for you. So you need to click on start designing over here. You need to either sign up, so click on sign up or log in. You just then need your email, password, confirm your password, verify that password, and then your brand new dashboard is going to look like this. So you can see this is my fresh new dashboard that I've just created. You then want to click on start designing at the top right over here. Click on start designing. It's then simply going to take you over to Teespring's design launcher. So you can see you can create posters, pillows, beanies, a cloth face mask, phone cases, mugs, stickers, a tote bag, another sticker, unisex men t-shirts, women t-shirts, hoodies and sweaters, tank tops, hoodies again, more hoodies, leggings, all sorts of content and merch that you can sell. And people that love cute puppies and those kind of compilations buy clothing that has like cute puppies, cute pets, adorable clothing. This is something that really blows up because people like these kind of clothes, and you can create this with a simple drag and drop feature and let that blow up on your channel. And I'm going to show you exactly the kind of revenue that you can make, about $5,000 on just one video, and I'm going to calculate that for you at the end of this video. But first, let's go and design our merch. So firstly, I'm just going to choose the basic unisex men's t-shirt. So I'm going to click on start with this. We can choose a classic tee, a comfort tee, a premium tee. Let's just use the classic tee, for example. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click on start designing. I'm going to click on what would you like to do with your design. Would you like to design and buy it for yourself, or sell it? You want to click on sell because obviously we are going to sell this. And you can see right here, here's a blank t-shirt. You can click on the back and you can view the back and also the front, and you can design this how you like. So you want to come over to this website over here called Clean PNG, which is basically transparent pictures that you can use and you can download and reuse them for your t-shirt. You can see they've got these like transparent backgrounds, so you don't have to go and edit these pictures for your t-shirt. It's already been perfectly made for your Teespring design, and you can search anything you want, like puppies, cats, dogs, mice, whatever you think is cute, or whatever kind of compilation you've chosen. So for example, again, let's just use puppy, since we've been using puppy throughout this video. I'm going to click on search, and you can see it's going to find all different images for your t-shirt that you can go and download. So for example, one that I really like, I usually like the animation ones, like this one over here, or this one over here. I'm actually going to choose this one. So this picture over here is like a watercolor puppy. So what I'm going to do is you're going to click on free download over here. You can see you just need to verify that you're not a robot. Once that's done, it's going to download to my PC. I can see here in my browser. I'm going to come back to my Teespring design, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to click over here, add image, and I've now uploaded this picture of this puppy. So all you can do is you can drag this, drop this over here. You can see you can make it smaller, larger, and you can design your own shirt, for example. But now that we've got our shirt, let's get an idea and calculate what we can earn. So remember, if we come back to the puppy section over here, you can see, let's just filter this, or we're already here. Let's just take a look at some of these videos. For example, this video over here that's got 21 million views. Let's work this out. Let's say worst case scenario, 0.01% of these viewers actually click on your link in the description. So all you're going to do is when you upload these compilations, you're going to have in the description, my cute puppy merch, welcome to check out my store. You want to have a call to action in the description telling people you have cute merch for sale, and people will click on this link. So as I said, let's say at least then 0.01% of people click on this link. So let's go 21 million times 0.01 that is 210,000 people. Let's say 0.01% of these 210,000 people actually buy a t-shirt. So we multiply this again by 0.01. That is 2,100 people that buy your shirt out of 21 million people. So let's go back to our Teespring, and you can see over here it actually gives you the exact profit per sale. So on this t-shirt you are going to make $11.42 per sale. So let's go back here. We multiply this by $11.42. That is $23,000 that you could potentially earn on a video that blows up to about 20 million views. And this is worst case scenario. This is only if 0.01% click on your video, and then only 0.01% of that 0.01% actually buy your t-shirt. It could be more than this. If you work this out on a video with about 1 million views, it works out to about $2,000 per million viewed video that you get. So what I'm trying to explain to you guys is the potential of this opportunity blowing up completely. As you can see, $23,000 is a lot of money for selling merch on this kind of niche that is really explosive and blowing up right now. So without further ado, down below in the description I will leave a link to my puppy merch store. I'm just kidding, but guys, I really encourage you guys to take action with this method. Try build up a channel that is going to blow up using this niche, using this content that you can reuse. Everything is here. I've taught you each step in this video. Now it's up to you to take action with this. Like I said, those of you that don't want to take action with this and just want to watch the video, it's great for gaining knowledge, but if you really want to see results, you need to take action. But what I will do is, on the screen above, I'm going to leave a link to my best playlist, which is all about selling high income skills, again without doing the work yourself, and making high ticket sales and high ticket income online. So on the screen above I will leave like a little square that you can click on. If you'd like to, you're welcome to check that out. But if you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like. I would really appreciate that. But until then, take care, and I'll see you soon.